So I'm working on finishing a piece of red cedar. I just finished sanding two-thirds of it. We're gonna get this last edge. And this is what it originally looked like. This side is just gonna be polyurethane. The rest will be fully sanded and polyed. So I just finished sanding my 2 live edge boards. Now comes the fun part. I'm going to be torching the edges here. So the first board's been charred. Basically what I did is I torched it with the propane torch, and then I just went and sanded all of the areas where I had little burn marks along the surface of the board because I didn't want anything beyond the edge. So that is how the first one came out. Now I'm going to do one more here in just a minute. Lastly, I'll clean this up, dust it really carefully, and then I'll be sealing it with polyurethane. Alright, so the boards have both been torched. I'm about to coat them with polyurethane. My supports, I used Varathane black stain, and while I think the wood is coming out looking decent, it's not as dark as I wanted. So the next time I do this, I'm definitely going to have to go with India ink, which comes out actually black. It's amazing. This is a king size bed. I used red cedar, sanded, polyurethane, torched the edges, same deal, polyurethane those, and then common boards just stained black and polyed as well for supports.